Hello. Hello. I might find this to be a little bit odd too. One, I'm getting up like really early now. Like I'm not planning this. I woke up to hearing uh, my mom like being like strangled. It was weird. Um, I already knew that like she was being confronted with something. I don't know what. But that's what one of her things that spirits will come to her for bondage, that have spirit bondage. This is kind of funny. Um, it's kind of prophesized that Jesus' second coming will be riding the white horse. This is kind of funny that there's a white horse emblem, um, which is just kind of funny, but it's just funny. Kind of have to pay attention a little bit. You can see that it's covered though. When I wear my cloth, it covers this and let this, so it's more like what can happen. It's not what is happening. Right now, I am what's happening. At my staff, I'm going to tell you a little bit. Ah, okay. Okay. One, oh, my, the prophecies are no longer like in like standard like Roman type print, like block printing. The prophecies are now in cursive. And this explained why from block to cursive. You can see the new. That's the symbol. Okay, hold on. Okay. You can see what's happening. My language. The language now is mathematical. It's um, it's a combination of cursive with math. Um, I can see LHZ, which it's just significant. LHZ is your life hertz or your brain waves. This actually explains it. Um, it's gonna be difficult for me to read even my own cursive because I haven't written cursive since I was a child. Um, but that symbol was a symbol I was supposed to share. Okay, this is. Okay, this down here. I'm sure if you can see it. But I've also gone into to writing in symbols, um, almost like hieroglyphics, almost like my I'm starting to write it. It was kind of like alien type of writing. It's kind of funny. My writing is kind of it's just transforming. My writing is transforming. It's like a combination of. It went from block print to like to cursive, and then from cursive into with science combined with math. So I got cursive combined with math as a language, and it's pretty interesting. Okay, here's one of the things though I was told last night. Okay, time cannot exist without infinity. Okay, like E equals mc squared can't even equal mc equals mc squared. Can't even equal E equals mc squared if infinity does not equal alpha omega or pi. Infinity has to make pi. It has to always be. You see, it's proven in math. You cannot have any you cannot have anything that exists in this dimension without infinity. It's impossible. Also, the power of pi and the power of God, the power of infinity, is so powerful that it created itself. You're wondering, like, oh, you look at God as like a being like this. You look at God as like, you try to put physical limitations to infinicy. There is no there is no limit to infinicy. Infinicy created itself within its own infinicy. Okay? It's not God creates God. It's one God, infinite, created itself. Like, because he's infinite. Because they are infinite. And also we're infinite too. And we are also, like, the whole thing about being brothers and sisters and we're created in his own image. I can explain how we're created in his own image. Not just, like, the creation of his own image. I don't really know for sure biblically if it's a created in his own image physically or created in his own image as far as a soul, as far as a spirit. I think that's actually what that really meant. We're created in the image of energy. Like, we're creating an image of energy. We're creating an image of infinity. We are infinite. Like, it kind of like, it kind of is kind of funny because, like, it goes, well, there's like that one religion that says, like, we're all gods or something like that. Well, that we're definitely not God, but our spirit is infinite because it's made in the image of infinite C. And infinite C is God, is pi, is the alpha, is the omega. Okay, alright, that's it. That was some of my writings last night. It's in the book. It's in the book Reading the Light, which will be out. I guess God actually has plans for me to actually not be so poor, because I'm pretty poor. I was told I'd spend all my money on this project. So, I guess that's why Reading the Light makes sense. The money's not for me, because, like, the money's going to go towards spreading the word. That's why I was told that all his money is his money. That's why I was told, wow, that is interesting. Because there's nothing I really want to buy. Every I know, I work, I go to a job and stuff like that because of bills to pay, I have debts that I have to pay and stuff like that. Some debts to pay, some debts to repay. Think about a debt is funny. Like, you think of a bill, and you think of a bill as like, the thing is, do you agree to pay the bill first? That's where it comes into. Because if you do not agree to pay something first, then you don't owe it. It's that simple. If you don't agree to pay for something first, then you don't owe it. It's the bottom line. Like, sorry. I don't know how that system got into play, but that's not the system that we're going to start living by anymore, because it's wrong. Alright. Well, there you go. You had that. Okay. Alright. Well, I'll see y'all later. Peace and shalom.